Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video guys I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your Zeblaze GTS Pro. Let's go. Hey you guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and we have here another tutorial which is the setting the time of your Zeblaze GTS Pro. So all you have to do guys is we're going to download the GloryFit. So we have already downloaded it, and as you can see guys, the time on our GTS Pro smartwatch now, it's 12:40 AM. Alright, and in our time it's 7:36 PM. So it's very easy guys. All you have to do is you're going to tap GloryFit. Alright, and we are just going to turn on our Bluetooth. Okay, it says they're connecting. Yes, it says they're connecting guys because I actually connected it before, and as you can see guys, the time it's automatically set. It's now 7:36 in our Zeblaze GTS Pro. It's the same on our phone. Alright, it's very easy guys, and if you're asking me if is there any other way for you to set the time without connecting it to your GloryFit application, I'm so sorry to tell you guys, but you really have to connect your watch to your smartphone and download the GloryFit application. Okay guys, so it's just a very quick tutorial. I will see you guys on our next video, and if you like this tutorial guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.